It's always express cooking with Tesla induction cooktops. Efficient, easy to clean, and a perfect fit for any kitchen. This particular model has 4 heating zones and 9 power levels, ready to support all your cooking adventures and experiments. It's intuitive and easy to use, with a touch slider control that allows you to set the exact temperature you're after. And if you need it done quickly, the Turbo Booster feature enables rapid heating and cooking. It is activated and deactivated with a simple touch. With this device, there is also a whole system of safety measures. When the built-in heat sensor registers very high temperatures, the cooktop automatically switches off. And you'll never forget about the residual heat. The indicator stays on until the heat zones cool off. Also, if you activate the child lock option, it will make every following command invalid. Let's not forget about this lovely black glass design, which definitely adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen area. All that's left to do is to find your favorite recipe and enjoy cooking.